Imagine a world where your phone doesn't just sit passively in your pocket, it adapts, transforms, and evolves with your every need. What if, instead of being locked into one device, you could snap on new features whenever you wanted? Today, we're exploring something truly wild, the modular phone revolution, and why Tecno's Atom concept might just be the first step toward a future where your smartphone is as flexible as you are. Let's kick things off with a question: how much of a phone do you really need to carry at any given moment? Think about it. Sometimes you're just checking texts, other times you're capturing epic photos, or maybe you're binge-watching videos until your battery runs dry. Now, Tecno is asking that very question with their Atom, a device that's so thin, so light, and so customizable, it almost feels like science fiction. But here's the twist: it's not just a concept. This thing actually works. The Atom runs Android and is barely 4.9 mm thick. No ports, no USB, just clean, futuristic design and magnetic charging. At first glance, you might wonder, can a phone this slim last all day? Well, that's where modularity comes in. Need more battery? Snap on a battery pack, 1, 2, even 3, until you've got all day and maybe all night power. But maybe you don't always want a bulky phone. With modularity, it's your choice. Now, let's talk cameras. We all know the frustration of missing out on pro-level shots just because our phone camera doesn't cut it. With Atom, you can attach a dedicated 23 mm camera module, complete with a focus ring, directly to the phone. Suddenly, you're shooting crisp, detailed images like a pro. Want a telephoto lens for those distant shots? Snap it on. Macro lens for those close-ups? Boom, it's literally that easy. You can switch between camera modules in seconds, making your phone the ultimate creative tool. And it doesn't stop at cameras. Craving better audio? Add a powerful speaker module and blast your playlist wherever you are. Want to carry your wallet? There's a wallet module, too, just like MagSafe on iPhones, but with even more possibilities. The modular design means you're not locked into one set of features or forced to carry unnecessary bulk. Only add what you need, when you need it. Let's appreciate the engineering here. The Atom is super light, ultra thin, and charges magnetically, no wires, no hassle. This isn't just a flashy prototype for the cameras, it's a real, working device. Tecno isn't showing it off for other companies to copy. If it launches, they're making it themselves. Sure, the price and release date are still under wraps, it's a concept for now, but unlike most concept devices, this one actually works. That's a big deal. Now, you might be thinking, is this just a cool demo, or is it the future? Here's the thing: modularity is already sneaking into our tech lives. Apple's MagSafe is making magnets the must-have accessory, and other brands are jumping on board. Tecno isn't the only one. Expect to see this trend explode as more companies race to build phones you can customize on the fly. Why settle for a one-size-fits-all device when you can build the phone that fits your lifestyle? So, let's open up the conversation. Would you want a modular phone? Which feature would you snap on first: extra battery, pro camera, booming speaker, or something totally new? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing tech coverage from Mobile World Congress, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and join the community. The future of smartphones is modular, and it's closer than you think. Stay tuned, because we've got plenty more tech surprises coming your way.